Johnny!
Ming Pao.
How are you feeling, Johnny? How's that gunshot wound coming from the last video? Oh, Jesus. Christ, Johnny. Put that thing away. Jesus.
When am I gonna get better?
I'll tell you what, Johnny. You'll be feeling better real quick if you had some power juice.
Power juice? I've
Power
had enough of that power juice. It's gotten us in enough trouble.
What do you mean, Johnny? Have you already lost sight of the goals?
I wanted to rob banks and be rich.
That's not what I
Shoot
paid you
coppers.
for. Come on, Johnny, we're partners, and you know what we signed up for. It's for the biggest power juice heist in the world.
When you came to me, you told me that was only our first goal. Then we were gonna go on to rob banks and be true criminals.
Trust me, we'll get there, Johnny. We'll get there. But first, this is the most important thing we can do for ourselves to get this power juice.
Will this power juice help me get better?
This power juice will help you get better. Feeling like $1 million, with $1 million in your pocket, with $1 million wife, Johnny, and $1 million home, and $1 million dog that was breeded with 2 other $1 million dogs, with $1 million gun, and $1 million hairline. You won't have to worry about balding ever, Johnny. I know you're insecure.
I'm not balding.
Uh-huh.
I'm not balding. I don't need that stinking power juice.
Trust me, Johnny. You'll thank me later. I'm gonna go get you some power juice.
Whatever you say.
That's right. I'll be right back, Johnny. I think I heard of just the place on the news. Yeah. I guess this is the place I'm gonna be finding our power juice. Huh. I was picking up a signal from here earlier. There must have been some bamamaman activity out here. Huh. Maybe by this playground. Ah. Getting some signals. Must have come through here. Let's see. Oh yeah, definite bamamaman signals. Maybe they left some power juice over here. I'll get that for Johnny. I don't see any power juice. Huh. Let's see. It's that direction. That away I go. Huh. Trying to pick up a signal over here. Over here for Johnny I go. Definitely something coming from this field. It's over here. The power juice. I see it. The power juice. I got it. The power juice. Wow. A full bottle of power juice. There must have been an epic clash of bamamaman here. This will rejuvenate Johnny for sure. Wow. Full cup of power juice. Wow. I can't imagine the power of those bamamaman. They must have been something special. Huh. Safety first, Ming Pao! Safety first. Criminality second. Johnny! Johnny's asleep. Johnny, it's me, Ming Pao. Look, Johnny, I got a full bottle of power juice, Johnny. It's gonna heal you right up. Ah, he's asleep. Oh, look at my little angel. Johnny is sleeping. Johnny. 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 Johnny! Hey, Johnny! I've got you some power juice. They'll heal you right up. Here.
Where'd you get it?
Go ahead and take a swig, Johnny. You like that, Johnny? You like that power juice? There you go, Johnny. Drink up. Drink the power juice, Johnny. It's good for you. It's power juice. Heal you right up. Wow, Johnny. How's your arm feeling? Oh, Jesus Christ! Put that thing away. Don't worry, you'll get better, Johnny. You'll get better.
Dear God! Jesus Christ! What happened to my hand?
I never did tell you where power juice came from. Did I? Johnny?
No, you didn't. Where does it come from?
Well, I'll tell you. The source of our power juice. There are these awesome ethereal beings, Johnny. And they're called bamamaman. They exist in another dimension separate from our own, Johnny. And sometimes those bamamaman come here to our world. And when they do, sometimes they leave a little bit of their power juice back in our world, Johnny. And with that power juice, we can take it and we can use it to fuel our own selves. Heal our wounds, Johnny. Pay our fortunes. Fight women, Johnny. The whole lot of it. It's all good stuff, is the point. But let me tell you something else about power juice, Johnny. When we consume that power juice, it makes us stronger. It makes us keener, Johnny. We become more powerful than we can possibly imagine. So when you drink up the power juice, when you guzzle it up, Johnny, you start to feel strange. Your skin starts to look different, Johnny. That is the effect of the power juice. Those wounds, they close up, they heal, Johnny. You are an augmented fragment of your former self. That's what's going on when you drink the power juice, Johnny. And it comes from bamamaman.
I see what you meant about that power juice earlier. I'm with you 100% now. Let's go steal all that power juice and become the most powerful people in the world!
Johnny. Johnny.
God damn it! Dude, I was in the fucking zone!
No, dude, don't worry about it. We got it this time.
Yeah.
Johnny! Oh, he's sleeping. Johnny. Johnny, I got the power juice for you, Johnny. Ah, my little angel's sleeping. I'll tell you what. I'll let you smile. But you can't laugh. You just can't laugh. Johnny. Johnny, it's me, Ming Pao. I got the power juice for you, Johnny. Found a full bottle of power juice. Ah, look at my little angel, Johnny.
Fuck you! Fuck